Hi everyone and welcome to a new tutorial. This time we will be doing the crab stitch border. You can use this type of stitch for any projects like blankets or kitchen clothes or dresses or skirts or tops, whatever, just to make all the things more beautiful. Before crocheting the crab stitch, I've done one round with only single crochet. So I crocheted only single crochets. You can do it, but you don't have to do it. But I like the look if you first start with this row and then with the crab stitch. So I joined this round by slip stitching, and to get the right height, we've got to chain one for the beginning. A crab stitch is a single crochet, but we won't crochet the stitch forwards in this direction. We will crochet the stitch backwards, but we won't turn our work. Okay, now let's stitch through the next stitch and use both loops, then yarn over and pull up a loop. You've got 2 loops on your hook, and now yarn over again and pull through 2. And that's your first crab stitch. One more time, go through the next stitch. Make sure that the yarn is not twisted. You've got to pull it sometimes and then pull up a loop and pull through 2. So like a single crochet, but you just go into the other direction. So you've got to get used to it. So it's a little bit strange or different at the beginning, but it works. So yeah, you will get used to it and it will be more fluent or more fluently afterwards. So yeah. Yeah, this is how your crab stitch border will look like, and we call them crab stitch because you're working backwards like a crab stitch move or like crabs are moving. So yeah, happy crochet. I hope this was helpful, and until next time, bye bye.